Hi guys, welcome to my channel Infinity Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to highlight the text in your Word document. So for that, first of all, we need to go to the Word document, and here you can see this is my complete text and I need to highlight it. So how I can do this? So from here, I just need to highlight this specific date, 1500 something. So I just want to highlight this date. So how I can do this? Simply, I need to select this part and then I need to go to the highlight text. Here you can see I need to click on the highlight text, and from here I can select the highlighted color. Mostly people prefer the yellow color, so I select this yellow color. Here you can see there's another date. Simply I need to click here and then on the highlight. Here you can see the specific portions from our complete document are highlighted. So by using this simple step you can easily highlight the specific text you want. So to get more informative videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity Text. See you soon. Bye.